Hello, everybody. Today we will discuss various threshold limits in international taxation. Number one, specified domestic transactions. Aggregate of such transaction entered into by the SSE in the previous year exceeds a sum of 20 crores rupees. TP documentation need not be maintained in cases where the aggregate book value of international transaction entered into by the taxpayer does not exceed INR 1 crore. Master file Form 3CE AA. Part A, there is no threshold limit. Part B, consolidated revenue of the international group if exceeds INR 500 crores and either of the below transactional threshold is achieved. A, aggregate value of international transactions exceeds INR 50 crores or aggregate value of international transaction in respect of purchase or sale or transfer or lease or use of intangible asset, intangible property exceeds INR 10 crores. Country by country reporting, Form 3CE-AD. Total consolidated group revenue as reflected in the consolidated financial statement for the preceding accounting year exceeds INR 6,400 crores. OECD recommends 750 million pounds. General anti-avoidance rules, popularly known as GAAR, restricted to cases where tax benefit exceeds INR 3 crores to avoid unintended harassment and cost of litigation. Place of effective management, popularly known as POEM, shall not apply to companies having turnover or gross receipts of INR 50 crores or less in a financial year. Thin capitalization, Section 94B of Income Tax Act. In order to target only large interest payments, it provides for a threshold of interest expenditure of 1 crore rupees, exceeding which the provision would be applicable. Bank and insurance companies are excluded from the ambit. Significant economic presence. Significant economic presence in case of non-resident shall be triggered if aggregate amount of payment for a specified transaction with a person in India exceeds INR 20 million during the year, or non-resident undertakes systematic and continuous soliciting of business activities or engages in interaction with 3 lakh or more users in India. Thank you.